What's up, my little tomatillos, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Now today we are doing a very special episode because we had an awesome week. Alright, so this week we hit our very first milestone. We got 1,000 subscribers on our channel. So you know what? We're dedicating this video to you guys, the fans. Let's make a cocktail, grab the top list of commenters on the channel, and let's start going through some thank yous. This is the thank you old fashioned. And so why the old fashioned is a thank you cocktail? Well, it's one of my favorite cocktails, and it's a recipe that I want to share with you guys as a thank you. Hey, and if you guys have been commenting on our videos, chances are your name is on our list, so stick around to the end. We're shouting you guys out! Woo! Let's make this drink. Let's start off by making a honey simple syrup. Alright, so in a mason jar, we are just gonna pour in a 1/4 cup of raw honey. Right up to our 1/4 cup line. And then we're just gonna do an equal amount of water. Alright, let's throw a lid on that. And shake it in the weirdest way possible. And that's our honey simple syrup. Normally in an old fashioned they use demerara sugar syrup, but I like the honey. Plus, this is a thank you old fashioned. Bar view, you guys ready? Alright, so we're gonna take a clean lowball glass. This is a thank you old fashioned. This has gotta be absolutely perfect. Alright, that down. Alright, we're gonna throw in 1 ice cube into our glass. And then go ahead and move that off to the side. Next, we're gonna grab our bar spoon and mixing glass. And we're gonna throw in some ice. All right, let's start making this drink. So we're gonna start off with 2.5 ounces of bourbon. 1, 2, half. Next, we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of our honey syrup. And now let's finish that off with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Oh, shit. And now let's finish that off with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And now let's stir this up for about 30 seconds. Alright, taste test. Perfect. Alright, let's throw our glass back in there. And pour in the cocktail. Alright, and last thing we're gonna do is grab an orange peel. We're just gonna squeeze that over the drink. That's gonna express the oils. And rub that around the rim. And place inside. Alright, and we got our thank you old fashioned. Oh. Alright, so now that we got our thank you old fashioned made, it's time to thank you guys. Oh, I didn't see you there. That doesn't make sense. Alright, we gotta start off the thank yous with Travis McP. I met this dude on Reddit, he had posted something, I was asking a bunch of questions, until finally he took time out of his day to go to our channel, complete stranger, watch our last video, and then write a page-long worth of notes on how we can improve. That feedback has brought us to where we are today. So Travis, thank you, man. Not to mention, he's got a freaking awesome tech channel. Super entertaining, even if you're not into tech. Go check it out. Next, we got Paris Flowers. Paris has been a long-time viewer and not only watches all of our videos, but comments on all of them, likes them, and even makes some of our dishes and reports back on them. Freaking awesome. Thank you, Paris. Red Velvet Cake, you gotta be in the top of this list as well. Red Velvet Cake, I see you watching, I see you commenting, not in a creepy way. Thank you so much. We got Samantha. Samantha, you wanted a shout out, here you go. Thank you, Samantha. Gay Crab, commenting on all of our videos. Thank you. Crazy Cute Husky, a newer subscriber of ours, but awesome. Curious GTV, thank you for the support, and you have an amazing vlog channel. Everyone, go check out Curious GTV. He is awesome. Needs more subs. Another subscriber who has an awesome channel himself, and definitely needs more subs. Go Go check them out. We got Cherry Ramsunder, Petty Trish, Noah SM. We got Lupa, thank you Lupa, Doran Santoki, Ace Film Studio 755, Degonzo, Kenji Zane Esmilio, Fayez Hashim, Dapper Dop, another awesome channel by the way, go check him out as well. We got Puvenjan Pillay, Cherry Lily, Terenia P, Haley Jean, Andreas Zachevek, Heyoda Zatoto, Corinne, Haya H, Random Fun, Jesse the Blogger, Moxie Beast ASMR, Luis Cruz, Queen Abby XOXO, Leonardo Maya from Brazil, Ms. Fat Bald Cat, Arrogant Atheism, Yol 0340, La La Rue, Jilly Boo Boo, Ryan Provost, Avid Listener, Fan Trong, Evangeline Rowe, Brenda Box Vlogs, Not So Fast, Nyemand G-Loft, Ikban Angles, I probably screwed that up. I'm lost, please help. No, that's the actual username. Kai Zimmerman, Lang Chauvin, Six Anim, Dowry, Jayhan's Cads, Warren Huggins, yes it's me, again another username, Daniela Matos, NYNY ASMR, Chameleon Mung, Aesthetic Azai, Livin' Da Vida Loca, Ich bin ein Millennial. Sorry, dude. Gabriel Datsovieren, Julian Guerra, and my old fashioned is out. And so thank you not only to you guys, but family and friends as well. And so all of you guys, thank you guys for watching. If I forgot anybody, I will address it in the comments below. Also, if you guys have been watching but haven't been commenting, throw a comment down below. I don't know if you've made it this far, probably not, but if you have for some reason, throw a comment down below. If you haven't noticed, I read all of the comments, alright? Just say what's up, introduce yourself, whatever. Thank you guys.